Hey guys, it's me. Today we're going to talk about my absolute favorite Kingdom Hearts character, and out of curiosity, I'd like to know what your favorite Kingdom Hearts character is. Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, let's get started. What is good, guys? It is your boy Dom coming at you with a new video. And on the last day of February, which I have really sincerely hope that you all have had a good month so far. Hope your week's been good. Mental health, physical health is all good. We're going to end off with an overview of my boy ROXAS, a 3D sculpt of ROXAS that I basically built in C4D first, and I know I'm still using C4D and both C4D and Blender. So this was a personal project that I actually wanted to do. Because if you guys have known me and have followed me on Instagram for 5+ years, you would know exactly the fact that ROXAS is absolutely my favorite Kingdom Hearts character. I have wanted to do this for a long time, ever since the inception of me doing 3D art in general, and I've always identified with him because, you know, he kind of, you know, ROXAS and Sora are both opposites, not in terms of personality, but I've always bonded with ROXAS because he's the nobody. He's the guy that, you know, Sora gets the spotlight, but ROXAS, he's a nobody. Nobody knows ROXAS. Nobody likes ROXAS more than Sora, right? But that's precisely why I like him. You know, growing up, I've always connected him with my own mental health, and for whatever reason, I guess just drawing him over the years helped me, I guess, realize certain things that, you know, obviously I'm not a nobody, but ROXAS, you know, I honestly think, and if you guys have followed me again, you guys know I'm a Kingdom Hearts guy, but I honestly think that Kingdom Hearts is basically teaching mental health for kids. But that's just me. Anyway, all that said, this was a personal project. So I wanted to just make sure that everything was pretty much squared away. The modeling, I started to put all the parts together before I had them all in joints, but basically in C4D using the volume builder and the volume mesher and connecting joints and wrinkles and all that jazz. So the plate also, I wanted to try something new with this one. So anyway, we're just gonna go ahead and go straight to Blender and put those nice materials down. I honestly like the hooded ROXAS better. I think just the way he looks is way better in my opinion. But anyway, we had these video things here. I honestly, I'm still new to the video stuff, but I'm still progressing. I'm still learning on how to essentially do a 360 round table effectively and all that. So, but here I've added the swirl or the twirl that, if you remember in one of my other videos, I had made a twirl, like the power of the twirls, in a previous video for Victor Chavez, and I just dragged and dropped it here. Basically moved or messed with the movement of the swirls, and I just wanted this to be more like there's energy around him, but he's aware of it. He's aware of this power that's inside of him. The twirl power, right? But here, the twirls are basically consistent of just generic meshes and just putting all of these modifiers on it: decimate, as you can see all here. Just if you're confused, look at this video. Here's all the materials here, and yeah, just making sure they're all there, good to go. ROXAS is pretty much a simple aesthetic, black and silver and blonde. Skin is pretty much kind of a tan color. And here we are with the actual material in its raw rendered form in real time. And yes, Blender, I have been using Blender, and Blender has been a saving grace in terms of rendering, in terms of the fact that it's pretty powerful real time. Now I'm aware that C4D has a 3D engine much like Blender, and I'll probably explore that a little bit later. Redshift, I believe it's called Redshift, it's the same thing. But all that said, this engine is free. Not to sound like a cheapskate, but it's free, and why not use it if it's free, right? So yeah, this was one of those things that, you know, I'm still going to incorporate Blender. I still want to learn to animate, just like here. Here's a preview of the second video. I did 2 of them. That was the zoom up close-up shot, and then here's the first one with as you can see here, yeah, just the generic turntable. I wish the plate was in the middle, but you know, I was on a time crunch. You know what I'm saying. So yeah, you know what, it's all good, maybe next time. So yeah, so here's the finished piece with all the blood, sweat, tears and everything. I really love this piece. This piece means a lot to me, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for hearing me ramble and talk about this, and I want to create more art like this. And before I go, I wanted to say thank you to my Patreons again. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for sticking with me. If you guys want to be a Patreon, feel free to do it. On my Patreon, I give out free 3D modules, and as of this recording, I'll have Squall pretty much ready to go. But thank you all, and I appreciate it, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.